a Kawasaki brand family that is our oldest, with a 50-year-plus legacy. The clearly defined and uncompromising personality of our Z models is brought to life thanks to our unique Shigomi philosophy that marries engineering and styling in one highly balanced package. This equilibrium has characterized the Z line for some years now, and our latest edition is typically distinctive and dramatic package. Sharing the same new engine and trellis chassis philosophy as our new A2 license-compliant Ninja 500, it is our honor to introduce you to the second of two new for 2024 machines. Please enjoy with us the all-new 2024 Z500.